Lenny from Lenny Locksmith. We're doing a Range Rover Sport 2011. Smart key. I'm going to do an add key. Accept. Type in Land Rover. Alright, let's do an automatic selection. Car's on. So hopefully, there we go. Picked up the VIN. Got Wi-Fi on, just so you know. Yes. Alright, we'll do an immobilizer scan. Press the start stop button, I already did. Now it's running the scan. Okay, we'll do emo learning. All right, keyless can. Add a smart key. It might be the other one. Press the start stop button. I did already. It's on. Turn the ignition off. Okay. Yes. It turned on automatically. Yes. Okay. Do you want to learn a new smart key? Yes. Place it in your hand. Okay. Press unlock. Hit 1. There we go, and it beeped. Should go again, if I remember correctly from the last time I did it. I hit it, but it didn't go off. But I think that's okay. Hit it again. Learning successful. Do you want to learn the next one now? Okay, let's try everything. Worked. Unlocked and locked. We're gonna start it up now. Let me get his key out of the car. Wait a minute. 1 second. Let me pause. Doing that video, I actually made another video showing when I hit it. Actually, the key worked fine. When I hit the go to hit the button, it was weird. Just in the middle of the section bottom, and you could see the indentation. You got to hit it right there, and it starts the car. But the car, as you heard up from the video, it was locking and unlocking. But it was just hitting that button. It was just weird. I never, maybe I did, but I didn't realize it. But if you hit the left corner or any part of that key, it won't start. It'll push in, but you got to hit the bottom in the middle, and then it started. But it was fine. All right, yeah, I made a video. I don't know, for some reason it wouldn't upload. So I'm just making this one at my house. All right, bye.